Hey folks, Robbie here with a small haul. I did some trading. Got me the Rolling Thunder custom Chevy pickup. This was built and then torn apart, and then here's the rest of the pieces and stuff. So I'm gonna rebuild it, and there's the custom grill part. Then needed a grill for an '89 Chevy pickup. Got some big tires, stock rims for some '90s Chevy trucks, and some custom rims for another truck. Parts to the Louisville hauler, I needed some. And this semi truck is going to be a custom single cab, and there's the parts for it. But anyway, just kind of wanted to show you what I got. Just a couple things, but stay tuned for progress. We're looking forward to tackling this Thunder roller. Thanks.